Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to proceed to the recovery mode by holding down power key and volume up key for a couple of seconds. After the screen turns on and the brand logo appears, you just have to release power key and keep holding volume up till you enter recovery mode. And in recovery mode, using volume keys, navigate to the 7th option, wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key, and then confirm it here. And after you see this message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.